shows like Clean India have immense and important role to play in the public life. I hope this show will definitely give new insights. I hope a great success for this show. Thank you.
Talking about the platform, I think it's a brilliant way to connect and stay connected with what's happening around.
Amazing. I have seen various brands out here and it's really helpful for me.
I see more of machinery on laundry as well, and a little more exposure on waste management as well. Like till last time, I've also seen part of automobile industry, but so many new machines, so much new technology right in under one roof is the best thing that we ever want.
The conference, and we had extremely very good panel, informative, interactive. So what I find the difference out here is it is kind of a knowledge session as well, very pertinent, which is relevant to today's business scenario. What I could say is that it's grown bigger and better, and it's growing.
Clean India show, it was really a great experience for me. This is a very good platform to exchange ideas.
We are looking for our innovative solutions for the problems we are already having. How do we clean our station centers? That I found a lot of new don't these and new ways to clean.